So this is the road to the cabin that we made. And I'm just out riding my dirt bike today. It's a little overgrown. I don't think anyone's been out here for a long time. We haven't been out here for over a year. But you can kind of see it up in the distance. I'm thinking we need to come back here and do a little maintenance. You can see all the trees that broke down in that one storm that almost killed me and my wife. Well, she wasn't my wife then, but that's besides the point. Anyways, that was fun. Story in itself. But yeah, we're just out here. I'm just out here riding around, goofing off. Wife's at work. This used to be an old mine back here. No idea what they're mining. They caved in the entrance to it, but there's still all sorts of stuff left. It's pretty cool. You just gotta wander around and wander through thorny bushes and pricklies and stuff. And then there's a river. Yeah, that's a river. It's full of water, like they usually are. Anyways, I'm heading up Forest Road 38 today, and I'm gonna just cook a little food at the top and then go home, because it's exciting. Well, what's going on? So, two friends and family of Patrick and Joe, this place will look familiar. This is where we went on the Thursday before I got married, and it was pissing rain, and it kind of generally just sucked, but we had fun. Water's really low. Most of the snow melt's gone, so I guess that's what you get. But the bridge we built is still there. Good job, Joe. This fire pit is sad. There's a dirt bike, Suzuki. Yeah, there's a beer bottle in there. There's some rocks, some burnt wood, some unburnt wood. I have no idea what this box is. Organic something. Giving resources and opportunities to workers. Fantastic. So yeah, I haven't ridden a dirt bike on dirt in God knows how long. It's so much fun. The thing, this back tire fucking blows. I mean, there's no tread in the middle. It sucks. So this thing is all over the place when you get on the gas. But that kind of adds to the fun. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I may just set up shop and make myself some food here, or I may go to the end of Forest Road 38. Not quite sure. Sure, it's pretty up here. It'd be even cooler if those clouds went away. Well, I say that now, but I'm wearing jacket and long pants and all that stuff. If the clouds went away, it'd get really hot for me. Any hoosers. I'm just gonna wander around and just do generally stupid stuff because I'm all alone and this is cool and no one is here. Okay, bye. All right, so I just decided I'm gonna make some food here. So what I got here is this crazy little Trangia cook kit. It has the alcohol stove, this little stand, that part goes on it. Has a fry pan in 2 different bowls and a tea kettle. It's crazy big for one person, but I was on my motorcycle and I've never taken it out here and I've never cooked in it, so I figured why the hell not. So basically what I'm doing is I'm going to cook up stupid food, camping food. We got Spam, diced, amazing, and instant baked potatoes. These things are freaking awesome when you're camping because it takes up no room, has a crap ton of calories, and it's actually pretty damn good. So I'm just gonna boil up 2 cups of water and make the potatoes, and then I'm gonna throw that pan on there and I'm gonna fry the Spam in it. And I'm just gonna mix them all together and eat it. And it's gonna be amazing. And I'm gonna put you on this box so you can watch. 'Cause that's fun, isn't it? Yeah, it's fun.
bullets. And shotguns. America. So I definitely wouldn't recommend this little cook kit for a single person. Even on a motorcycle, it's just too big, too heavy. If you have like 2, 3, 4 people, and you can spread the load between them, like one person carries the cook kit, another person carries all the fuel, another person carries the food, yeah, this thing would be absolutely amazing. But just for one person, it's just far too heavy. It takes up way too much room. I mean, it's almost a third of the storage in my backpack that I have today. And this is just a day trip, so it's fine. But that's a lot. I mean, I know you gotta eat when you're out dirt biking and camping and hiking, but you don't need to eat that much every meal. It uses a lot of fuel too. I mean, it takes a while to boil that kettle. Like almost 7 minutes usually. And I have those little beer can stoves can boil that kettle in about 4.5. And they weigh about 1/10. But, I mean, it's cool. It's freaking durable. I mean, I've bashed it around and you can't even see dents on it. I would have liked to have the non-stick fry pan, but that's neither here nor there. So I guess we'll just keep cooking. And then once I eat, I'll go to the top of the road. Then I'll go down. Then I'll go home. Then I'll go pick up my wife. Isn't watching water boil in a teapot so much fun? That's what I thought. And we have boiled.
Spam! 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 Oh crap.
Ah, yes. There it is. Got taters and Spam. And it's oh, that's freaking hot. Everything's hot. I'm gonna go sit over there on that rock and eat. Ugh.
Probably should have brought some salt. You know, if I didn't have to go pick up Haley later, I'd probably just throw up my tarp and just stay out here overnight. It's so nice. It's nice being around not people. These loaded potatoes taste pretty much like potatoes with just butter and garlic in them. Not much else. They're still good, but no, it doesn't taste like a loaded baked potato. Well, what do you expect? It's instant. Came in a freaking bag. Probably got preservatives from here to fucking New York.
But I filled my tummy.
It'd be funny if there's someone out here watching me just kind of like talking to a camera. What the fuck is he doing? Fucking weirdo.
Oh, there's that sun.
mosquitoes are out in force.
Well, that's enough of that. You've seen enough of me eating.
So, here we are, folks. The end of Forest Road 38. And there's an ice house can. The trail actually goes a little bit farther, but I'm not gonna ride my bike because it's a footpath. Heavily overgrown footpath. Getting up here, it looks really easy right here, but man, it gets really tight. And you're riding through a tunnel of freaking overgrown bushes. It's fun though. It'd be nice if I had a good tire on the back of my bike. The thing just has no grip. Oh, Suzuki. You're a good little motorcycle. Oh, look, you got leaves and rust. I should probably replace that. So yeah, sun's still gone. It's nice. It's quiet. There's birds. It just goes pretty much straight up that way. It's kind of cool. I really wish I had time to stay overnight. There's some really cool spots out here. Anywho, I'm gonna turn around, go back